you started using Canva yet? I finally got the pro account and it's been the best decision I ever made. And one of the things I want to show you today is how you can use it to do your Facebook posts. We usually think of Canva as maybe making some thumbnails for YouTube. I know a lot of my audience, that's the first thing that they would do. But you can also make Facebook posts or Instagram posts, all kinds of things, little movies. It's got tons and tons and tons of little features. But I don't want to go through all the features with you. I just want to go through one at a time. So my playlist for Canva is at the end of the video. If you have other things that you're looking for, please check that out. And then if what you're looking for isn't there, just ask me. I'll make a video and show you how to do it. So today we're going to make a Facebook post using Canva. The first thing I want you to do is type www.canva.com, and we're going to go into the Canva site. When you get there, you're going to look in this top right-hand corner, create a design. And for me, it just popped up Facebook post, but you can also type it up here. And it will search for whatever you need, and there it is. There's all these different choices. We're going to go to Facebook post. And what it does, it sizes it perfectly so that when you upload it onto your Facebook feed, it's the perfect size. Now, one of the neat things about Canva is they're going to give you suggested things that you can use, and you can use the templates and then change what's on the template to become what you want. For instance, here are some for the 4th of July. I'm just going to pop this up there so you can see it. If you want to tell everybody happy 4th of July, you didn't have time to really design anything, you can just grab one that's here. And later I'll show you how you download it onto your desktop and then upload it into your Facebook. But that just gives you an idea. If you just wanted the flag in the background, you can delete what's on the front here and then use that as a background and just kind of hover over it and delete. So any of these templates you're welcome to use, or you can start with nothing. Let me go ahead and get rid of that. If you're designing something from nothing, you want to go down here where it says backgrounds. And those are your background colors or background templates. Here you have a landscape that you can use. And I'm just showing you the different choices that you have. So this is a landscape template, and you might want to type something on this and then use that as a post. We just went on vacation, took a long drive, something like that. Then you're going to go up here to text, and you can go ahead and type in a quote or something that you want to put on there. We can put this, I'm just going to choose one that's here. You can change your font from up here. So you see I have the font in there, and I can select this, and then I've got all these choices on the left. Now notice that some of them have like a little crown next to it. That is the pro account. So those are not available if you have the free account. If you do hit that link below, you're going to see that you have access to the pro account for free for a trial period. So you definitely want to check that out. I didn't think I needed it at first, but once I caved in and got it, I'm really happy that I did. It's actually really, really well worth the little bit of money per month. So here you can go ahead and type whatever you want. On vacation, having a great time. So there's just as an example, and you can move this down. You can put it wherever you want. I'm not going to go into design as much as just to show you some of the choices that you have. I'm going to go ahead and add a second page down here and also show you how we can go back and use one of the templates. I saw one down here. And there's a good one. It's got a simple background. It says, trust yourself. You can go find a quote that you like, and you can go ahead and change this quote. The neat thing about the text, you can go up here and select effects, and you can change the text. And there's all these choices on the left, so you can play around and do a lot of these things. One of the things that is fun, as you go down here, you can curve your text. See that? And if you don't want it to curve so much, you just go down here and slide this over a little bit, and you can play around with that as well. I have a whole video on that that I'll go ahead and put at the top on how to curve the text and play around with it, because you can make it go like into a wave as well, not just curving it up or down. But again, you can just put your quote there and then save it. So we're going to go ahead and save it. I'm going to delete the one at the top. And we're going to save that. You're going to select share. So what you want to do is select share right here. And here it says copy the link and send it to your Facebook page. You can write something at the top. I'm just going to write test and publish now. Now that's part of the pro account where you can just right away post it right to your Facebook page. All right, I just showed you how you can post it immediately, but you can also schedule it. This is another feature of the pro. You can go ahead and schedule right here. Say what day that you want it to be scheduled, hit next. You can write something here and then schedule it. One other thing that you can do is you can download it and just save it as a post on your desktop and just upload it to Facebook at a later date. And I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. All right, you're going to go back where it says share. You're going to scroll down. And this time, instead of sharing on social or hitting schedule, you're going to go right here to download. And that's going to just allow you to download it right to your desktop, and then you can pick it up later. And here it says on vacation, you'll find it there, and then you can use it. And that's it. It's that simple. Play around, have fun. And the neat thing on Facebook, you can schedule these posts so that they pop up when you want them to, and you don't have to wait and do them yourself. And there you go. I'm saving that one to my desktop. Now, that was pretty cool, wasn't it? Not hard, very easy to do, and it does tons and tons and tons of things. If you're interested in trying for the free trial of Canva, just go ahead and hit the link below. Yes, I'm an affiliate. Thank you for supporting me. If you decide to do that, I would appreciate it. All right, so before we go, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a blessed day.